Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to download AutoCAD 2026. So yeah, what we need to do first is get to the autodesk.com webpage. So this one is official webpage, and here you will see free trial. All right. And now what we are need to do is just simply select uh, for what we will use software, like as a business, as home use, or file viewer. All right, so let's say for now home user. Next, then we have here what we would like to do. So we can go AutoCAD electrical next, and now we need to sign in. And this is basically how we will do that to get free to get free AutoCAD for, I think it's a 15 days free trial. All right, now the next thing is basically that we can get 1 year license. So how we will do that? If we click here on education, so yeah, how you can get this is basically one way. So you can go as a student or educator. So you will need to fill the form here. If you click right here, then yeah, here you will select, let's say, AutoCAD, and then here you will do like, are you a student, educator, or school IT administrator? Okay, so let's say we are a student. Now what you are going to do is put some information right here: educational institution and educational verification. So with that verification, you will need to show some shared ID, student ID card, and yeah, and current tuition receipt or school report card that you get this license from. When you complete all of this process, then you will have basically um, option for download the AutoCAD. The newer version, you will just click install, and yeah, it will start downloading, and then you can install uh, to your computer. And this is basically how you can get the AutoCAD 2026 license. So it's pretty good way if you are a student. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next